The Bank of Canada finally made a decision to move rates in a positive direction downward. So 0.5 percentage cut. If you haven't heard it yet, you're hearing it now. This is really great news and much needed for the overall real estate market and the economy in general. And many homeowners who are watching this are going to breathe a big sigh of relief knowing that there is some cut that's happened that's going to trickle down to most of the banks. What is it going to do for us as an economy and as a real estate market specifically? Well, here are my 2 cents worth. My prediction is it's a good time still. The weather is still good. Today was 19 degrees outside, 20 degrees outside. So it's not in the midst of the winter that they're doing this. It's a beautiful fall market. There is some good inventory out there. I am going to bet that it is going to get buyers off the fence, and it is going to create a sense of urgency in the market. And is it just that the rate cut's happening and so things should start to be gobbled up by the market? No, but the reality is when good news makes its way out the news channels and gets out into the public, and brokers and banks and realtors are telling you the confidence is being restored, the reality is it's a compound effect. And you hear that over and over again, and then things start to pick up and the market starts moving and the prices start to go up. So if you're a buyer and you've been waiting to do something, or you've been moving around looking at product without a sense of urgency, I'm going to tell you, you should probably get going, because prices in the next few weeks are going to climb, and they're probably going to climb very gently over the next few days, but you're going to see old inventory get gobbled up. That is my prediction. Do I think in the next 3-4 weeks we're going to see 2 to 3% increase in a lot of different product areas and maybe even more? Yes, I would bet so. Is it an unusual time of year for this to happen? Whatever, maybe it is. It would have been great if we had this in the summertime, but the reality is it's here now, and the question is how you're going to act as a buyer. And for sellers, if you've been waiting for this announcement, then get your homes ready for market now. You should have been ahead of this a couple weeks ago to be ready to push the button on your listings to go live to MLS. But if you're not on MLS, and this has just been the great news that you've been waiting for, it is time to get your property on the market. Buyers are going to activate very, very soon, and you don't want to hit the market at the end of November or early December when the snow is here and the cold is here and people are on to holiday thinking or hunker down and not making a move. So it is absolutely the time to get your product to market, and it is absolutely time to accelerate your buying needs to get going before the prices start to move up. Lastly, here's my prediction for banks and mortgage brokers. I bet that they're going to get a flurry of applications in the next few weeks, and if you have not done your pre-approval and you're thinking about entering the market this year, then get your stuff into your brokers right away. And if you don't have a great broker, and I mean fabulous broker, which you're going to need if you're going to be buying a property for the first time or the second time, then do us a favor, send us a DM, and we will be happy to connect you with the professionals we love, we trust, and we rely on to help our clients get the best rates. Thanks for watching.